Thank you, sir. I'll bring it back to you. I promise. I'll bring it back in a couple minutes. Okay. My name's Dan Ricketts. I work here. I've been here to be 15 years this year. Come on in. Last March, I was out in my yard putting some fertilizer down, and down I went. I struggled to get up, but I finally made it in the house. I had the catheterization at Suburban when they realized I needed a quadruple bypass. They kept me here that night because they wanted to run tests. Of course, they found my carotid was also blocked. So they did the carotid Monday and Thursday. They did the quadruple bypass. There was some fantastic doctors, and everybody that worked with me up in the ICU was fantastic. I had tubes coming out of me all over the place, everything. They treated me like their family, and that's one of the things that impressed me. There's a lot of people I want to thank. We'll find them. Let's go.
Down to the repair area.
Here's on.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Mind if I stop for a second?
Good morning.
Good morning.
When Danny's not here, we're a little lost.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you
Thank
later.
Danny. How long were you in?
I was here 8 days in ICU. Actually 9. Counting right. Thank you, man. I appreciate everything you did, man.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much. You helped me learn to walk again. Steps, bathroom, the whole kit and caboodle. He was there with me, and he didn't judge me. He just took care of me like that. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Hey, Trouble. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How you feeling?
I feel better. I feel good. You guys got me here. This is Kenya. She's one of the nurses. I woke up and I realized who was taking care of me.
And knew he was in great hands, right?
Yes, I did. You were in the best. I was in the best hands. She's one of the nicest people here, but she ain't afraid to tell you how it is either. This is what I like about her. But she's a great nurse. Really appreciate it.
Oh,
I do.
it's been my pleasure. It's been my pleasure.
I actually hung this a couple years ago. We think it's a great thing for our hospital. There's no place like home. And there's really not. There's no place like home. If you want, these are all caps off of different valves in this hospital. The nurses gathered this. It's amazing art. It took a lot of time and effort. This is 3100 side. This is the side I was on. Good morning. I'm good. How are you? Oh my God.
What's up, man?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hey,
All
how
you
you feel?
did. I'm doing okay.
Good.
I really am. I'm walking. I'm working.
Good.
All these doctors, all these people are part of this team that took care of me. It takes a whole group to put it together. Thank you for all your care. Hi, Leanne.
Hey.
Good morning.
Oh,
How are you?
I remember Regina.
Oh my God, yes.
Hello, how are you? Look at you.
Yes, I'm here walking.
I'm glad. I have so
And
much
I'm
work for
working.
you to do. It's
Well,
your
This is the man that put this group together. Thank you so much.
To have you here and to get to see you multiple times a week.
Yes, it's amazing to me.
Constant reminder that what we do has a story that goes beyond the walls of the ICU.
Yep, and I really appreciate that. I mean, I'm amazing when I come up here. I see this going on all the time. When it was me, it was scary. I'm gonna tell you right now, it was scary.
Yeah.
But your nurses were fantastic.
Yes.
He was one of my night nurses.
I was a tech. I was a tech at that time.
You was a tech. You're right.
I wasn't a nurse.
He
at
wasn't
that
a
time.
nurse. He was a
I
tech at that
tech at that
time.
time.
But they all took care of me. Thank you so
You're
much.
very welcome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Now where?
Wherever you want to go. Come on, follow me. We're going to now go see my boss. When I got sick, Rodney came to my side, and the biggest thing he told me is my job is going to be here. And I do not forget that, and I will always remember that. I thank you so much for what you did for me.
We just wanted to make sure that he was taken care of. That was most important for us.
And that they did.
We do. We know how important it is. Yes, we're on the back end. Folks hardly ever get to see us, but for the most part, we're working hard, on systems to make sure that this hospital is taken care of the way it needs to. We're compassionate about doing it as well, because again, I have to say it, we share a lot of tears in
Yes,
that.
we do. Yes, we do.
We do it on the back end. Do we get embarrassed behind it?
Yes, we
But
do.
for the most part, we're human too. We want to make sure that we take care of not only the patient, but our staff as well.
We all care. We care about our patients. I care. It may not mean a lot to a lot of people, but it means a lot to me if everything's working in the room. But we hope to be just a small part, and if nobody ever mentions maintenance, that's a great thing. Because that means we did our jobs right. Having been a patient, it does give me a little bit about what everybody does here. And to be honest with you, there's a lot of people in a lot of departments that patients rely on. And it means a lot. And that's why I try to teach each patient like they're one of my own family members, because I want to be treated just as well. I'm hoping to treat patients well as they treated me. And the people in here, I met a lot of people when I was sick, and everybody did their job so wonderful. It takes a whole team, and it's all big, and it all starts right at the top. Thank you.